In this video, I'll be showing you how to fix auto rotate not working on Android. If you find this video helpful, drop a like and subscribe. But anyways, getting into it, it's very easy to go ahead and do this. Now you can do this with literally anything, whether you're on an application, a home screen, or anything like that. So the first thing you want to try and do, if your auto rotate isn't working and you have it on, if you have any physical case or anything like that, like obstructing your phone, then take it off physically. Now, what you also want to do is swipe down on the top right of your screen, and you're going to see this auto rotate button, which is usually going to be on the top left. If it looks like this, that means it's locked in portrait mode. So what I want to do is make sure it's enabled so I can have it on auto rotate. And now if I, go into any application, I'm going to be able to like auto rotate. For example, if I go into Google Chrome and then I move, as you can see, it now auto rotates at will instantly. But now let's say I want to basically go ahead and auto rotate when I'm in my home screen or anything like that. What I'm going to do is long press on this auto rotate option. I'm going to see home screen, lock screen, video call screen as different options. So I can turn them on and off separately at will, as you can see. So now home screen is basically enabled, which is this obviously. So now if I just go ahead and rotate, as you can see, I can now rotate my home screen. And on a lot of phones, that's not actually enabled by default. So you're going to want to turn that on and then you should be good to go. Now, and if it's not working, like your auto rotate, go ahead and try and restart your phone by holding down the volume down button and your power button together, then pressing restart, and that should like clear any cache or any bug that's not allowing you to rotate your phone. Of course, after taking off any case that you have on your phone too.